Doc, pakilagay na lang po nung ICD-10 code. Familiar? Ginagawa ba ito sa hospital ninyo na parang automatic? Ang doktor na rin ang maglalagay ng ICD-10? Okay, eto po ha, tandaan ninyo. Let us be clear. Doctors are not coders. They should not be forced to code. Yes, kailangan ni Doc magbigay ng clear, specific, complete diagnosis. Pero ang pagpili ng tamang ICD code, trabaho po yan ng trained ICD coder. Here's the problem. When doctors are forced to do the coding, they use codes with high PF rates. Okay, they choose vague or general terms like fever or pain and may mismatch na ho sa coding logic. So, wala nyo. Ano ang result? May claims issues, mismatch yung CF4, and worse ho, audit. Fraud or upcasing. Marami na po akong kliyente na legal dahil ho dyan. So, hindi ito dahil hindi magaling si Doc. Hindi rin ito dahil tamad sila. It's because yung ICD-10 is a technical skill. Take note po, just like coding is not diagnosis, diagnosis is not coding. Kapag si Doc nagkamali sa code, automatic mali na po ang buong flow. Wrong ICD code, wrong case rate, wrong deduction, lahat ho yan mali. Tapos, okay, magtataka kayo bakit underpaid or denied yung claim. So, here's what you need to fix today. Train your doctors to focus on the diagnosis. Okay? It must be complete, specific, and clear. And then, assign trained ICD-10 coders to convert the diagnosis into codes. Review coding po before finalizing the claim. So, and then you build trust and teamwork between the clinical and your coding people. Kasi ho, this is a team sport. Hindi ho dapat binubuhos lahat kay Doc. Pero hindi rin pwede na wala si Doc sa picture. Doctors give clinical content. Yung coders translate it into compliance. Okay po? So, share this video to your team. Share this video to your medical director. Okay? So, this is Coach Doc Ben. See you soon.